School Innovation Council. So you are the members of School Innovation Councils. We are the members, rather. So why they have launched this? Because you have ample potential. You people have ample potential. You are too intelligent. Or nowadays you cannot say he is very intelligent, she is very mediocre, she is very what to say below average. No, all are intelligent, but somehow it is confined in bookish knowledge. Am I right? All the time we were reading the books and then we were trying to mug up without understanding. So this through this council you should know, at least you should know your potential and what concept you are getting of any topic. You should materialize this, means you should implement in the real life. Your skill should be developed. Understood? Suppose you have understood a chapter. Okay, then you are learning question answers and you are asking them, the teachers, to give the answers and you are learning. And you are writing in the exams and you are scoring. But you, in long run, you are not able to do something excellent or get good job or start up any business. You are not able to do, because that knowledge is bookish and somehow you are scoring the marks. But now CBSE is saying, or government is saying, that rather learning, you should innovate. Suppose a topic is there, you can understand ki acha, from there I can take up a project. This way I can, suppose Shobik sir is taking physics. He is making you understand, concept is clear. Now he is giving some things. Now you are understanding that this is a concept. If I go with this, electric को ऐसा जोड़े, ऐसा करे, ऐसा कुछ करे, तो I can innovate something. But if you are not getting exposure, so आपने यहाँ तक सोचोगे, फिर वो कहीं ना कहीं क्या हो जाएगा, वो डाउन हो जाएगा. बट ये जो काउंसलिंग है, मतलब मीन्स गवर्नमेंट का मोटो है कि हम लोग स्कूल टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल्स, जो भी है काउंसलर, व्हाट दे शुड डू, दे शुड इंस्पायर यू कि जब आप प्रोजेक्ट लो, प्रोजेक्ट को आगे बढ़ाओ, आपका अपना इनोवेशन थिंकिंग जो है, यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन थिंग, यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन थिंग. नो वन इज सेइंग तुम क्या किया है तो एकदम डल है कुछ नहीं. नो, इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग एनीथिंग, समथिंग इज देयर इन इट. उस चीज में भी कुछ ना कुछ इनोवेशन रहेगा ही. एंड आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स यू शुड थिंक, नॉट दैट द ओनली द फ्रेम्ड वन यू आर थिंकिंग. Understood what I am saying? So now you, what you will be doing? You suppose you are learning what are the syllabus and all, that is something else. But on the basis of that, you can take up your own project. Now देखो 5G. Now that day you have joined also the program. That is innovation. कोई ना कोई तो innovation किया है. इसको innovative thinking किया तब ना innovation हुआ. 3D printing. ये भी तो innovation. So that way you, among you only someone is doing so. So now through school level only, right from very beginning, we will be giving exposure through various activities so that you can also get scope to create, and we will be giving you the motivation, guidance, inspiration. Understood what I said? And you also start thinking out of the box. These junior students. Now onwards, अभी से सोचो, कुछ अलग सोचो. अगर कुछ मैम पढ़ा रही है, सर पढ़ा रही है, तो उसमें से क्या तुमको लगता है? Many a times I have found that you have questions in your mind. Suppose टॉपिक चल रहा है, आपका मन में कुछ इनोवेशन आ रहा है, लेकिन सोचो नहीं सर क्या सोचेंगे. कभी-कभी सर लोग बैठो तुम, जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ सुनो. That also I have observed. That should not be. So it is a joint venture. अगर टीचर का सपोर्ट मिलेगा, then only you can come up out of your cell. You can come out of your shell. So this is that ceremony, that is the council. Understood? I hope थोड़ा बहुत तो समझ गया क्या बोलने चाहा. Then slowly and gradually we will go with various activities. Because our mentality is ना, जब पढ़ेंगे नौकरी करेंगे. No, why? पढ़ो, स्किल डेवलपमेंट करो, इनोवेशन थिंकिंग करो, इनोवेटिव थिंकिंग करो, and then you can start up your own business, own thing. Is it only service is not a solution? So you have full right, full freedom to think as per your thought process. All are not equal. मैं जो सोचूंगी ये नहीं हो सकेगा, आप वो नहीं सोचोगे, आप जो सोचोगे मैं नहीं सोच पाऊंगी। सब अपना अपना, बट ऑल आर एवरीवन्स थॉट प्रोसेस इज व्हाट रेस्पेक्टेबल। सबका अपना अपना थॉट प्रोसेस जो है अपने हिसाब से उसको सोच के वी शुड गो अहेड एंड वी आर देयर ऑल टुगेदर वी विल प्रोग्रेस। I hope that you have understood